Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Just the Tip. Today I want to talk about the jaws on the pliers. So if you get a pair of pliers from the store, they all have jaws like that. And if you look real close, you notice that the jaws are directional, so they actually point in a direction to provide more leverage. So when you get these on a bolt, you want to turn in the direction that these teeth will grab. If we get tight and go this way, you'll notice that while it does turn it, it wants to slip. So if we're trying to go to the right, see, it wants to slip. But if we go to the left with the pliers in this direction, you'll notice that it simply grabs it. And it doesn't slip at all. And I'm actually putting less effort this way than I am this way. So that's a little tip for you guys next time you're messing with some pliers. Maybe all you have is some old pliers laying around. So, well guys, this is 12 o'clock, and remember, I can't guarantee your work. This is just the tip.